The Cadillac Eldorado 2026 Revival Metallic Gold marks the comeback of an iconic American luxury coupe. This model blends classic heritage with futuristic innovation, delivering a bold statement in the United States luxury car market. It's not just a vehicle. It represents prestige, power, and modern elegance. Exterior details, bold and futuristic design. The exterior design stands out with low, wide stance and aerodynamic body shape. The metallic gold color enhances its luxurious appeal, reflecting light beautifully across its sculpted surfaces. The front features Cadillac's signature wide grille with a refined mesh pattern, paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that extend into the fenders. Sharp air intakes and a sporty bumper give it an aggressive yet elegant presence. From the side, the long wheelbase and sleek coupe roofline create a perfect balance between sportiness and luxury. Large 22-inch alloy wheels and smooth character lines enhance its dynamic look. Flush door handles and frameless doors contribute to a clean, modern design. Rear design, heritage meets modern style. At the rear, vertical LED taillights maintain Cadillac's classic identity while adding a futuristic touch. The wide stance, sporty diffuser, and quad exhaust tips highlight performance capabilities. The Eldorado badge across the trunk reinforces its legendary status. Interior features, premium comfort and luxury. Inside, the Eldorado offers a high-end cabin crafted with hand-stitched leather, real wood, and brushed aluminum. The metallic gold theme continues subtly through interior accents, creating a cohesive luxury feel. The car is designed as a four-seater coupe, providing spacious and comfortable seating for all passengers. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats ensure maximum comfort, especially for long drives. The interior focuses on both luxury and practicality, making it ideal for daily use and premium travel. Dashboard technology, advanced digital experience. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved OLED display that integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and AI-based personalization. Ambient lighting enhances the cabin atmosphere, while a premium AKG sound system delivers high-quality audio. The interface is modern, user-friendly, and designed to provide a seamless driving experience. Engine performance, power meets precision. The 2026 Eldorado Revival offers multiple engine options. The base model is expected to feature a twin-turbo V6 producing around 400 horsepower. Higher trims may include a powerful V8 engine exceeding 600 horsepower. There are also expectations of hybrid or fully electric variants, aligning with modern automotive trends. Advanced suspension, adaptive dampers, and all-wheel drive ensure smooth handling and strong performance on all road conditions. Safety and driver assistance, next-level protection. Safety is a key highlight, featuring Cadillac's Super Cruise system for hands-free driving on highways in the United States. Additional features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies provide both convenience and peace of mind. Price and models, luxury investment. The expected starting price is around $85,000 for the base model. Mid-level trims range between $95,000 and $110,000, while high-performance or electric variants could exceed $130,000. This positions the Eldorado firmly in the premium luxury coupe segment. Conclusion: a modern icon reborn. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Revival Metallic Gold successfully combines heritage with innovation. It offers luxury, performance, and advanced technology in one package. This car is designed for those who want exclusivity and a strong road presence, making it a true symbol of modern American luxury.